Hello, can I help you?
Yes, please. I want to buy a shirt.
Great, what size do you wear?
I think medium.
What color do you like?
This one, I like blue. How much is it?
It's 200.
That's a bit expensive. Can I get a discount?
Today we have a 10% discount.
Oh, nice.
Would you like to try it on?
Yes. Where is the changing room?
It's over there. How is the shirt?
It looks nice. But is there another model?
Yes, we have a sleeveless one too. It's a new model.
Is it a standard size?
Yes, it suits you well too.
What is it made of?
It's 100% cotton.
That's good. Can I pay by card?
Yes, of course.
Great, I'll take this one.
Perfect, I'll pack it for you.
Thank you very much.
Anytime. Okay, the shirt is $200.
And you said 10% discount, right?
Yes, so the final price is 180.
Great, I'll pay by card.
Tap or insert your card, please.
Done.
Thank you. Would you like a receipt?
Yes, please.
Here is your receipt. Here is your shirt and your bag.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
Hello.
Hi, I want a haircut.
Okay, please sit down.
Thank you.
How do you want your hair?
Short on the sides.
And the top?
A little long, please.
Okay, do you want a fade?
Yes, a low fade.
Do you want to cut your beard?
No, thank you. Just the hair.
Do you want gel?
Yes, a little gel.
Okay, let's start. Do you like it?
Yes, it looks good.
Do you want to wash your hair?
No, it's okay.
The haircut is 15.
I'll pay by cash. Here's 20.
Thank you. Here is 5 change.
Thank you.
Okay, have a nice day.
You too. Bye. Hi.
Hi, I'm sorry I'm a little late.
It's okay, I just came.
Wow, are these for me?
Yes, for the most beautiful girl.
Oh my God, they are so beautiful. Thanks a lot.
You're welcome. You look very pretty tonight.
Thank you. You look nice too.
The park looks beautiful tonight.
Yes, the lights are very nice.
Do you like walking here?
Yes, I like it very much. It is peaceful.
I am happy to walk with you.
Me too. I feel good with you.
Do you come here often?
Sometimes, but today is special.
Why is it special?
Because I am with you.
Oh, thank you. You make me happy.
And you make me smile.
Do you like the ride tonight?
Yes, I like it very much. The road is quiet.
The lights outside look beautiful.
Yes, I like the street lamps. They are warm.
Are you comfortable in the seat?
Yes, I feel good. Thank you for asking.
I like to drive with you.
Really? Why?
Because you smile, and it makes me happy.
You are very kind.
I mean it. Your smile is special.
Thank you. I like talking with you in the car.
Me too. I don't feel lonely with you.
I also feel safe with you.
Here we are. This is your home.
Yes, thank you for bringing me here.
It was a nice evening, right?
Yes, very nice. I enjoyed it.
I am glad, but wait. Before you go, I have something.
Something for me?
Yes, a small gift.
Oh, what is inside?
Open it.
Wow, it is so beautiful. Thank you.
I am happy you like it.
I love it. You are very sweet.
You deserve it.
Thank you for today and for the gift.
You're welcome. I hope we meet again soon.
Yes, me too. Good night.
Good night. Sleep well.